How to fix code lock history not showing on Samsung Android phone. Okay, there are different things that you can do. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the phone app and make sure you are selecting the right tab. So on here, you want to tap on the Recents tab. On the Recents tab, you should be able to view all your code history. Okay, so try that first. If it does not work, we try fix number 2. Okay, next, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we then scroll down and tap on apps. And then we look for the phone application, so scroll down. And look for phone, and then tap on storage. In here, tap on clear data and clear cache. So tap on that both, and then go back to your phone application, and then tap on Recents and see this time if you can view your code history log. Okay, fix number 3 is to restart your phone. Press and hold on the power button plus the volume down button. So press on both keys at the same time, like this. Press and hold, and wait for the phone to restart. Now, many One UI 8 bugs, including code issues, are temporary and can be fixed by rebooting the device. Okay, so once it is rebooting, you can then try to open up the phone app again. Okay, fix number 4 is to check filters. This is a hidden issue, so open up the phone app, go to Recents tab, and tap on the filter icon here, and make sure you select all calls and tap on OK. Fix number 5 is to update the phone app plus the system update. So you can go to Play Store or the Galaxy Store. So we go to Store and we look for the phone app in here. So type in phone and make sure you have the latest Samsung phone app installed. So here it does not offer any update, so it is running on the latest update. You may also want to go into System, and then we look for Software Update in here, and make sure you are running the latest software update or Android update on your Samsung device. Fix number 6 is to reset app preferences. So we swipe down and tap on Settings. In Settings, we scroll down and tap on Apps. Then tap on the More button. And from the pop-up, choose Reset App Preferences and tap on the Reset button. Fix number 7 is to check storage, because if your storage is full, code locks may stop saving. So we can go into Settings here and scroll down, and we look for Device Management. So in here, scroll down, and we want to look for storage in here. So now if you scroll down, tap on Device Care, then tap on Storage. So here we check storage, make sure it is not full, and you still have at least 2 or 3 gigabytes left. Okay, and that's it. So hopefully one of the solutions will work for you. So just a quick recap. So try to clear phone app cache, restart phone, check filters, and update system. That should fix most of the problem. Up to 90% of the time, it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.